No one died during this experiment, and it was mildly fun too. So I think we're done for now. Let's see how this works out. There's a slug in that. So how do you think you get this to light? Like this? That doesn't look safe.
This is a death machine.
Bet you that little knob has something to do with it.
This is a death machine.
We'll put some matches in there. Oh yes, that's a little knob there. That's how you light it. Hold on.
This is a death trap.
Whoa! We got fire, baby.
A boy made this.
This is awesome.
Careful, please. The safety officer would like to.
Holy
Crap!
shit! Now we're cooking with fire, baby. What's wrong with this thing? Holy, where's this thing been my whole life? Wait till my dad sees this thing. Could light the whole damn woods on fire.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. I bet you the fire department shows up.
Mm-hmm.
See if we can put some of these roots over here, maybe.
Yeah, can't wait.
Wow, that's cool. It heats to over 3,000 degrees. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking, huh? What else can I turn? Not like all that debris there.
Why don't you focus on this part and not set the trees on fire?
Well, I think it's going pretty good now. Right?
Yeah, well. I'm not sure we know how to do a controlled burn to start setting the woods on fire.
But I'm tired of raking this stuff up.
Yeah, but burn the whole forest
Yeah, we
down.
can burn knotweed and I'll light the cord on fire though. Die. Oh.
There's flames still shooting out.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, there's a twig in there. Oh, it's a match. My match is in there. Well, let me hit this one more time. Alright, we're going to turn this off now. Turn this off and see what happens. That turns that off. We probably want to turn this off. Oh, I think it's cool. Alright, let's put this in here. Nobody died. No one died yet. Jeez. Don't touch that. That's pretty cool, that thing. No one died during this experiment, and it was mildly fun too. So I think we're done for now. Let's see how this works out.